Hi, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube review channel for everything that is products that enhance your business, tutorials, courses, software systems, anything that can grow your individual blog, individual email list, product, digital products. I'm here to help you kind of guide you to finding those things that can really enhance that business and growth. I am myself a work from home mom, and I have been working from home since 2014, since I had my first child, and I also homeschool. So I will be adding onto my channel resources for homeschool parents that other homeschool families who work from home are doing to create income as well from home. And you can kind of connect and see who does that as well and learn from each other. I am going to talk to you today about YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It is called Tube Mastery and Monetization, so based on YouTube. And I am just going to shrink down here for you, and we're going to talk about this particular course specifically to master your YouTube channel and how to grow that income and scale. So what we're going to try to do is walk you through this particular product. If you are at all looking to grow or scale your YouTube channel to a six-figure a month income, I am going to place my link in the description below. Like and subscribe to my channel so you can be updated right when I have a new video out, because I will also be giving away things that are exclusive or that are going fast, and you could get the discounted price from my affiliate link. All right, so this particular product, I'm going to go down here, is they also have some bonuses that are going to be expiring as well. How to grow and monetize a YouTube following. So we are going to scooch down here. So what this course is going to teach you is everything from start to six-figure a month growth. How to start it, how to grow it, how to be hyper profitable from that particular YouTube channel or channels, depending on what you are doing for your business. And you don't need to start out with any tech skills or any business experience. They will have and include everything you need to know step by step in this particular training program. All right, so we're going to learn exact strategies for starting that YouTube channel and building it, and then how this particular tutorial and course creator grew to 500,000 subscribers in just 1 year. They are going to give you all the ins and outs, all the secret algorithm hacks, growth tips, and strategies to grow and get viral. So then here are some particular testimonials. So here's the modules. Let's kind of go through each step. Module 1, 3 stages to the YouTube beta phase. You get to learn about choosing that niche and planning out your content, and to growing into that intermediate phase where they have uploading 33 videos. Scaling phase, outsourcing the work. We have the choosing a niche, the ways of going about YouTube, the best high CPM niches, doing market research, and bonus list of 100 plus profitable niches. Module number 3 is setting up your channel for success. They have a 33 rules and how to use them for YouTube. The best YouTube tool ever made. I do not know what that is. I know some YouTube things, but in terms of tools I use, but I don't know which one if I have the best. Their secret SEO keyword process, planning your content strategy. All right, then with the uploading videos, they're going to teach you an anatomy of a viral video and how to systemize your videos, where to find free content, how to edit videos for free, and making high click-through rate thumbnails. All right, module number 5. So these are all, like I said, great modules for training. Only YouTube, they have the strategies and the tools in each module. When somebody has mastered a specific platform, I am very keen on learning from them. So I'm going to keep going here and give you some more modules that they have created for you. You're going to understand YouTube analytics and the algorithm. You are going to learn how to truly go viral on YouTube, breaking down those myths, misconceptions, and laying down some truth. And the best time of day to upload those videos. All right, module number 6 is the monetization module, everybody's favorite. We have how to make more money than most YouTubers, the many ways of monetizing your channel, and their personal favorite way of making money utilizing YouTube. All right, module number 7, training course 7 is scaling your channel. So there are 3 stages to YouTube: hiring one person to do all the creation, making a video creation assembly line, and then the bonus is fill in the blank scripts for finding and hiring employees. All right, so everything. So this, again, isn't that typical course. It has everything you're going to need in the course. You don't have to go buy other things. It takes it, and one moment. I thought I was going to sneeze. It's allergy season. Excuse me. So we're going to scroll down to, they will give you instant access to the 2 Mastery Mastermind group. And then you can speak to other students and learn from each other. And then they have a limited time bonus for enrolling in the course. A list of 100 profitable YouTube channels which make 6 figures a month. They have their private Facebook group just for you. The free video ideas template to create your own content. Highly persuasive script templates for videos. The list of stock footage, music, and photos. And then video optimization checklist. All right. They have a risk-free money-back guarantee of 100% money-back guarantee. They're very serious about this course, their program, that this is a proven system from start to finish. And if you are not happy, they will refund all your money in just one click. So here is the deal. It is generally a $3,000 course. They have wrapped it all up for you today, only $9.97 one time. Great deal, especially for one platform when they really teach you the ins and outs to scale you to 6 figures a month. The $9.97 will be done and paid for in the shortest amount of time if you do everything that they teach you. That will pay for itself over and over and over again. You will have such great income potential. I am so excited for anybody that is going to look into this course, purchase this course, and grow their YouTube channel to 6 figures, if not more, a month. I will put this highly limited course in my link below. Click it, go to their sales page, get that buy now today only one-time price of $9.97, and all the bonuses they have that are included. I will put my subscription link below, hit the bell, and I want to hear what kind of success you're having with this particular course. Tell me in the comments. Keep me posted. I cannot wait to hear how you are growing your YouTube channel. Best of luck on your income journeys. And again, click the link below and grab the course before it goes away. Have a fabulous weekend, and I will put more fun tutorials and reviews up shortly. Take care.